Welcome to SheetBuild. In this video, you will learn what controls and objects are and how you can add and edit them at some of the basic features. Let's get started. When you click in column A or column B in the sheet, you can see the little light bulb icon, which opens a helper menu. When the selected cell is below the input row and up the output row, you can add controls to the user interface by clicking one of the menu entries. There are different controls such as labels, number boxes, radio buttons, images, sliders, and select drop-down boxes. For each control, you can set the current value, a label, and if the control is visible. Some controls have additional properties. For example, the number box and the slider controls have minimum and maximum values you can set. Below the output row, you can add objects to your scene. You can choose between different objects here. There are simple objects such as cylinders, lines, and spheres, and more specific objects such as extrusions and overlays. You can also import 3D files generated by other applications. Please take a look at the video for importing 3D files for more information. You can also import other sheets and whole projects to your 3D scene. Details are described in the specific videos. In difference to the control rows, each object row in the 3D scene has a header row above its value row. This is because the parameters of each 3D objects can be very different. Only the position, rotation, and scale values are connected to each 3D object. The extrusion object, for example, has the extrusion base plane and the extrusion vector parameters. This object has, for easier input, also a helper window. This window helps you with editing the data. In this window, it is easier to add and edit points of the base plane shape. You can also create new objects by copy and pasting cells or by using the special drop-down function. If two rows have the same object type, you don't need for each row the description row. This makes it easy to create a list of objects with the drop-down function. As in Excel, cell references are automatically generated in its relative position. If you need fixed cell references, just use the dollar symbol as you know it from other spreadsheet applications. There are a lot of more features in SheetBuild. Please take a look at the other videos or play around with the user interface. You can also take a look at the example projects. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.